what you talk about.
You see the FSC scandal? And the papers with the names them? And me release it.
Yeah?
I hears me have dirt on Marcus and all them little fraud things that I'm going with. But me don't allow him. But now I'm gone too far. Baby madam me youth. Nah man. I just saw it stop.
Carlton. This is gonna make you a marked man, you know.
Come on, Bubbles. Me's a marked man already. The man try to sink me for what me don't know nothing about. Hey. But guess what? Who can play that game?
So what's your next move?
Pay him a visit.
Bubbles! Bubbles! Come in! She can't see you here.
Then your friend.
5 months and if you have one, go in the closet. I feel bad about something, Bubbles. Me.
You wear Versace cologne?
Yeah, how?
When since you start wearing man cologne?
I'm uncle to take it from man.
Uncle? What me think you in the deal?
5, where you come here from?
Anyway, you know the snacks around there, I don't know. Can't talk for no hungry stomach.
Hello, miss. Is me the detective or you? You may have somewhere to go.
Come put on.
You know I've got to stop coming Bubbles yard. Place hot man.
Grab me and all of the feelings just come back and just I even when I wash him off, the adrenaline where that run through my body.
Life. At the same shopping, we talk about where you and him did in a relationship.
Yeah, but everything different now, Bubbles. A business wise, me and deal with things. Me and try to focus on me and what me and do.
Well, call this sexual business then.
You know, you thought this was a joke. I'm going to face him now.
Don't face him. My Backas.
You know, I write to some, I come, I write to some.